Welcome to the Mathematics MI channel. Today I am going to discuss this integral. So the problem is integral minus 2 to 3 1 over x to the third power dx. So this is equal to minus 2 to 3 x to the minus 3 power dx. So according to power rule we know x to the minus 3 plus 1. So minus 2 over minus 2. The limit minus 2 to 3. Okay, now we can write minus 1 over 2x square minus 2 to 3. Okay, now we can simplify this, but one question, is this right? No, this is incorrect. Okay, then what's the reason? Well, in lesson of calculus you learn about improper integrals. So these integrals only work if you have the function being continuous on it intervals minus 2 to 3. So we know from minus 2 to 3 1 over x to the third power is not continuous because in the denominator x cannot be equal to 0. So our interval is minus 2 to 3 and we know 0 is in between minus 2 and 3. When x is equal to 0 the function is not defined, so there is a vertical assumption here. Then now we know this integral is not continuous at x is equal to 0. So we can break this integral into two integrals, and proper way to write this is by limit. So we can write this minus 2 to 3 1 over x to the third power dx is equal to limit a approaches to this place. So 0 minus 2 to a 1 over x to the third power dx plus limit b approaches to now this place. So 0 plus b to the 3 1 over x to the third power dx. Okay, then if we get this integral, so actually this is limit problem. So limit a approaches to 0 minus 2 to a 1 over x to the third power dx. So this is equal to limit a approaches to 0 minus, we know this integral is equal to minus 1 over 2x square minus 2 to a. Okay, then limit a approaches to 0 minus, now plug in a, so minus 1 over 2x square. Now plug in minus 2, so minus 2 square is 4, 4 times 2 is equal to 8, so minus 1 over 8. Okay, now plug in 0 minus, so this is going to minus infinitive plus 1 over 8, but this is very small, so the answer is minus infinitive. So this integral is diverges. Okay, now we are done. So one of the integral is divergent. We don't even need to bother with the second integral. We don't need to bother with this integral. So minus 2 to 3 1 over x to the third power dx. So this integral is diverges to. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.